Hey everybody, quick little review of the Lanzar MAX12D. I built this little sixth order bandpass, series tuned for it, and it bumped pretty good for a while. But now this bad boy's blown up. I've been running this on a 400 watt Alpine amplifier. Should be able to take it because it's rated at 500 RMS. It did not take it. So positives about this subwoofer. It's good looking. It looks good. Look at that. Looks good. Negative 500 watt RMS. I really don't believe that. It's probably more like 250 watt or something like that. These terminals really suck. They're not good. Basket, there's no problem with it, but it's plastic. And it's got this thing over the magnets. Makes it hard to debadge. I suppose somebody could get rid of that sticker and then, I don't know, paint the dust cap or put a different dust cap on it or one over it or something, and then they could sell it as a laser force turbo, something like that. Personally, I got this for $25. I'm not really upset about it blowing out, but I had higher expectations for it. I wanted it to take that 500 watts, and it just didn't do it. So I'll show you what it's doing now. Play a 30 hertz tone. And that's what it is. It's probably the voice coils coming unwound. Because I can do this. And it quiets down when I limit the excursion, but yep, it's no longer good. So it doesn't do rated. Doesn't do rated. That's a big problem. Didn't like my sixth order bandpass. And I need a stronger subwoofer. Okay, I have the subwoofer apart now. I cut the spider and the surround, little cone there. So that's what happened. Oh, that makes it worse. See, the coil is crispy. The coil melted down, and that's unfortunate. That's unfortunate. That's what happens when you're a big bass head like me and you buy $25 woofers off Woot. That's what happens. So I'd run this thing on maybe 250 watt amp, and that's all I'd give it, or else you're just going to have this. Hey everybody, I got the screws out to the magnet right now, but I was just taking my screwdriver, putting it between this plastic thing and the basket like this, and it started. Okay, I accidentally paused my video, but probably still not worth taking that little thing off, because now you got all this goopy weird glue on here. Doesn't look very good, but looks more like a regular subwoofer, doesn't it, without this goofy thing on there? Maybe you could get that off with a razor blade and then slap a sticker on there. Optimus Maximum Laser Turbo Boost Woofer, you could call it. 200 watts. I've got a correction for you all. See that? This basket, for some reason, they've made it look and feel exactly like a plastic basket with this coating, but it's metal. And here's the magnet I took off, so I'll use that for magnet fishing maybe. It's a good sized magnet. I don't know why they put that cover over it, because this looks good on its own, right? Wouldn't you want to see this on the back of a $25 woofer? $30 woofer? Yeah. Nice. Oh well. Wish it had better coils, I guess.